Welcome to the Papyrus Business Designer video series on adaptive case management. In the third video, we will focus on case auditing and reporting possibilities. Manager Marie has a variety of reporting possibilities at her disposal that we are going to have a look at in this video in detail. She has full access to the repair service case that has been created and executed in the last two videos. Papyrus offers in-depth analytics of all involved workflows, starting with case goals, sub-goals, tasks, and involved processes. The clerk has worked on and finished all goals, indicated by the green color. Manager Marie can inspect individual sub-processes and verify their execution state. All steps here are green, indicating their successful execution. We can see that the clerk also executed and finished the service team selection process. In the finalize working order process, Marie finds that the verification of the working order was rejected and required a change. Additionally, there is an overview of the status of tasks and processes to be found in the Activities tab. Here, Marie sees that the optional goal to determine eventually needed materials was not reached. To be able to judge and analyze in retrospect which event took place at exactly what time, Manager Marie can view the History tab. These two documents, referred to as content, were updated by the clerk right after she added them to the case. Chronologically before that took place, she completed the task that involved preparing an order confirmation. All content is stored and archived, and accessible even after cases have been closed. Documents can be viewed right inside the application, like the order confirmation that can be seen here. In the timeline view, Manager Marie has access to a Gantt chart view that enables her to see the list of tasks in the case and their relationships to each other. Furthermore, using Gantt bars gives a clear overview of the schedule. While going through the list of tasks and processes on the left, corresponding events are highlighted on the right. The ACM Business Designer video series is now finished.